Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we were sent this package here, and inside of it is a brand new swing set to upgrade our backyard for the kids. Normally I'll open and unbox the packages here inside the garage, but since this is too big to build inside the garage, we're gonna take this outside and we're gonna unbox it outside and show you what comes in here. Alright, we have our swing set package outside in the backyard. Go ahead and open this. You can see all the parts and pieces are neatly packed in here. We're going to unbox this and get this all out so we can go ahead and build it and put it together. Alright, we got this all unboxed. Looks like we got the frame pieces there, the belt swing there, the floating saucer there, and then the ropes that go to that right there, and some hardware and some more pieces. So we're going to go ahead and put this together and we'll be right back. Inside this box here, you will find the swing set instructions and the hardware. And here it is. We finally have it assembled and all put together. As you can see, it looks really nice. The belt on the swing is made of really soft material. It's really durable, and man, I can already see my son playing on this. I'm gonna let him out right now and let him have at it, see how it goes. I'm just gonna go ahead and move it a little further back into that corner of the yard a little bit, so it's not right here in the middle, but man, it looks amazing.
No.
Woohoo! Push!
That can also be.
Push! Push! Hey, Tino!
What? Dead branch. Look. Dead. Careful.
Hang on! So if you have kids and you have a backyard, I would definitely recommend picking this up. As you can see, my kids love mine.